Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. Looking at this evening is a Cobra 29WXNWBT. This is for Douglas in Virginia and it's a tune-up report. Nothing special on this radio, no RFX 75s or anything, just a tune-up report on the radio. Straight radio. And we're going to use a stock mic. Stock mics sound pretty good on these rigs. One of the few that do. Okay, we're coming in at almost 6 watts right there. And on our 50 watt scale, it's going to be right in the middle there, 20, 30, 40, 50. We're going to be right there at 25-ish. Turn the volume up. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I wonder if there's any interest in a how-to video on how to hook this thing up to your cell phone. Maybe there's one already out there. I'm not so sure. Let's see who's out there. How about a channel 34 who's got a copy of my Cobra 29WXNWBT come out? Alright, I just wanted to say audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, breaker, break, break, break. Audio, and I'm back out. Breaker 19 for radio check. Come on.
Breaker 19, you can make the check at the big pit.
How much you want me to write that for?
What was that?
How much money you want there, big pit?
I don't know, man. I want a check, $100.
$100.
Things aren't cheap these days.
That work.
Oh, yeah?
I'm out of channel 34. Who's got a copy of my Cobra 29WXNWBT come out? Alright, I just wanted to say audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, breaker, break, break, break. Audio, and I'm back out.